Jesus!
Go ahead and start med units. McMeans in third. And have a class.
She was so awesome. And the other one, younger, and probably John Clancy, Christian type person yet. Bigger agency, but also ICM.
本周末停至下日巡禮，選購指定現貨，即享高達3萬元 trading 禮遇及免首年保險費，400幾種優惠價由每月4800起，更專享免首年牌費，優惠總值超過9萬元。GLC 300。
One car. So your breaks down, don't become a client to me because you don't have an
Oh my
extra car.
god, there was just an accident in front of me.
It smells like my sister's a dumb outside.
Oh my god! Holy crap! Oh my god. Holy I am. Oh, what the heck was that? Oh. I thought he just hit you, but I got on the bike.
You see, just 2 days after their wedding, Jordan started telling some of her girlfriends that she, quote, had a total meltdown and was having second thoughts about Cody, their marriage, and wondered what the heck I just did this all for. 3 days before Cody went missing, Jordan had sent a text message to her best
Probably ain't heard how I'm rocking. I beat your ass up, leave my
Fucking A! Go fucking straight, people! Second time in a row.
Know the rules a little bit better, and he should also be a little bit more generous when a public woman says, hey, I think you're cute, I'd like to go on a date with you. You know what he should have said? I should be so lucky. That's the only response that he should have given. Instead of saying, oh, Chelsea, she's so wild and crazy. We shouldn't make women feel, because they're outspoken, that they're wild and...
Oh my god!
Jesus Christ, right? I'm sorry, Gaga.
That guy was... Holy shit!
No, she does not.
So it's just money. Sitting there.
Money.
Big man may get in there. Hit us up, kind of shit.
Oh.